Hi everybody and welcome to this week's episode of Soul Fitness TV. My name is Whitney and this is my El Dominicano.
¿Cómo está mi gente? Los quiero mucho.
So in this week's episode we're going to be sharing something that's so important, and that is planning ahead and buying healthy ingredients so you can cook healthy meals.
Esta semana tenemos una cosa muy importante que es para comprar los ingredientes que son importantes para usted para que usted pueda comer saludable.
So we have our grocery list.
Así que tenemos la lista.
And so let's get going, head to the store, and we'll see you soon.
Ya lo sabe, nos vemos ahora. Saludable, very healthy. Una salsita pero dominicana, ya tú sabes, salsa que se vaya así, la chequeamos.
They're a very healthy add-on carbohydrate to complete your meal along with your protein and your healthy fats. This would not be something to put sugar on.
That's why they call it sweet potato.
It's already sweet.
Mira, esta es la mantequilla que yo compro siempre, la que he hecho en mi café, so, te la recomiendo, right?
Great. Pick a bunch up, have some in the fridge. You can put on salad, throw in kind of tortilla, a lettuce wrap. You got some stuff. Hi everybody, so we are back from the store. We had a good time.
Ya lo sabe, regresamos y aquí estamos para enseñar lo que comemos entre la semana.
So we have here what we eat on a weekly basis. We always like to plan ahead and have these things on hand. So let's go through what we bought.
Así que le vamos a mostrar todo lo que compramos.
So we have some salad greens,
Ensalada,
organic chicken,
pollo,
all natural creamy peanut butter,
mantequilla de maní,
brown rice, this is great,
arroz integral, no al blanco,
whole almonds unsalted,
almendras sin sal.
great snack there. Jose's favorite Kerrygold butter.
Y esa es mi mantequilla para ponerle en mi café para hacer bulletproof coffee.
If you want to see our video on bulletproof coffee, we'll include the link below. This goes right along with that. That's our organic coffee beans.
Es el café natural que tenemos.
And then we have a green pepper.
Un ají para yo cocinar mi comida dominicana, tú sabes.
Oh yeah, are you gonna make it?
Un pollito más tarde.
Then these are organic cage free range chicken eggs.
Huevos.
These are really good if you haven't tried organic eggs. We have ground turkey.
Pavo molido.
You can cook this up on Sunday, have it for the whole week for tacos, for salads, all kinds of stuff.
Ajá.
We have some blueberries.
Más frutas.
And we have some other fruit. We have some
¿Qué tú tienes ahí?
Honey Crisp apples.
Oh, manzana. We love that manzana.
Oh, with the peanut butter.
Ya lo sabe. Le ponemos eso con esa mantequilla de maní. ¡Pam! Ya tú sabes.
We also have sweet potatoes. These are a great clean carbohydrate in addition to our brown rice.
Batata, le llamamos los dominicanos, no sé cómo le llaman los dominicanos, puertorriqueños, pero dominicanos le decimos batata, sweet potato.
Sweet potato. They're sweet already. You don't need to add sugar to your sweet potato. Just saying.
Exactamente, no le eche azúcar porque ya eso está dulce.
What else do we have? We have some sugar snap peas. These are a great snack to have. We have some carrots. You can also eat these with peanut butter.
Zanahoria con mantequilla de maní.
We have broccoli. We have
Más
some
vegetales.
chili peppers. We're gonna make some salsa later.
Es un ají picante porque vamos a hacer una salsa mexicana bien picante, ya tú sabes.
And we also have some tomatoes for our salsa.
Tomate.
And that's it.
¿De todo?
Yeah.
Pues ya tú sabes, por eso mira, eso lo compramos diario, entre la semana comemos diario, perdón, y lo hacemos para mantenernos fuertes por dentro y por fuera.
So as we like to say, be strong inside and out. One of the components of being strong inside is eating nutritious food. So we hope this video helps. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please leave us a comment below, or if you have ideas for other videos that you'd like us to do, please share this with your friends, hit the subscribe button below. We love that you're joining us for these Friday videos, and we'll see you next Friday.
Y les recomiendo algo. No hagan dieta, nosotros no recomendamos dieta, recomendamos siempre que coman saludable.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.
Los quiero mucho.